Adriana for Phone Dog here. I'm at the Samsung Experience Store here in New York City, where they just held the media event announcing the Behold 2 launch. What do you need to know? 11/18, 2/29 to your contract. That's the short story. For the longer story, stay tuned.
Kick things off, will you welcome with me Leslie Gilbert, who is the Regional Vice President for Retail Sales for T-Mobile USA.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining us. So I am so excited to be here. This is a great holiday season that we're looking forward to. But the fact that we're here with Samsung to lift the curtain on this new device is really exciting. So a couple things I want to just share with you that you're going to see from T-Mobile over the holiday season. First is the introduction of a T-Mobile channel in the Android platform. That will provide the ability to go in to the Android marketplace. There will be a T-Mobile channel that will allow you to download things into your actual device that makes it unique to you. And the launch date for T-Mobile in stores will be November the 18th, and the price point on this device will be $229 for a 2-year contract. So with that, I want to introduce Bobby Billman, who's going to share a little bit more about our plans.
Thank you, Leslie. Good evening, everybody. It's really exciting to be here tonight. Behold 2 is combines Samsung's innovative TouchWiz interface with the Android platform to create a rich, customizable set of user experiences. Built with the power of the Android platform, you can choose from over 10,000 applications from the Android market. The Behold also provides easy access and instant access to Google's most popular services, such as Google Maps and Latitude, Google Search, Gmail, Google Talk, and YouTube. With the phone, you also have one-touch access to your favorite multimedia services, web browsing, and social media networks. The Behold 2 is designed with Samsung's ultra-brilliant AMOLED screen technology. If you haven't seen it, your eyes will pop out when you see this tonight. It's an unbelievable screen technology. It's exclusive innovation from Samsung that provides brighter, more crisp colors and enhanced clarity while viewing video or pictures with the phone at any angle. With Samsung's next-generation TouchWiz interface, you can further customize the Behold by organizing 3 different home screens with functions that you most use. Whether it's for work or fun, customers can drag and drop their favorite widgets and shortcuts directly to each of the screens. The Behold 2 has a unique 3D cube navigation that's really fun. You'll see it later. When you open it up, you can flick it and spin it with its accelerometer, or you can drag and drop it. It's got at your fingertips some of the best multimedia features.
This is Samsung's newly announced Behold 2. It runs it runs Android. It is a device that actually, on top of Android, we've laid on what we call TouchWiz 2.0. TouchWiz 2.0 gives the entire look and feel to be a very touch-optimized experience. On top of Android, it supports a tray for the main menu structure, obviously exposing a number of applications and services. In addition, we support virtual screens, virtual idle screens, supporting both the Google App Widget Framework as well as the application standby. We also have a quick list support and also something that we call the Cube. Inside the Cube gives you access to 6 different views of multimedia that are on your handset. As an example. So touch as well as motion sensitive. The device itself runs at 520 megahertz. It supports an AMOLED display, which is today an exclusive at Samsung, and a 5 megapixel camera consistent with the Behold franchise at T-Mobile.